Well, my darlings. It's time for Halloween again. How about some carving? Got my kid? How about yours? Honestly, guys, I really wanted to do a real pumpkin carving like we did it last year and I think the year before, but sadly we didn't got pumpkins from the stores that I usually bring it here in Costa Rica, which are just two: Auto, Mercado, and Walmart. So how about first I show you a little carving like I did on this papaya, which is rude in case you guys don't have them. But also I want to show you guys a different type of pumpkin that I carved with my dad. This is a styrofoam, I think it's called pumpkin. They're made mostly for decor, especially for autumn. Fun fact, guys, we got it like after Halloween on Walmart, sorry. And there was like a bunch of them. And for some reason I only picked this one up. Then again, I thought there was always next Halloween to buy stuff. Turns out this Halloween didn't have as much stuff. And if you saw my vlog, you probably noticed that. So my dad and I had talked ever since we made our first pumpkin. We were like, it's such a shame all the work you put into the pumpkin to get the face right and to make it look amazing, and there's no real way for you to keep that pumpkin. Like, we've tried and we let it dry and on the sun and everything, and it does dry a lot, but then when you try to remove it, because you gotta put stuff in it so it keeps the shape, it breaks. So we end up with like parts of it. And we were talking, like, if we can make one of the styrofoams into an actual pumpkin, it'd be really cool. And since this year we didn't get any real pumpkins here in the country, I said, what the hell, let's try it. And fun fact also, this video is full of fun facts. My dad actually works with numbers mostly, but he's great at sort of like a DIY but more serious one. Like, he made furniture for my mom and for me, and I think that's the side of the family that I get it with. And so he had the tools and had the idea, and we looked up for a vase and we started making it. I'm not sure what the name of the tool he's using is, but I was thinking and I thought we could probably make something similar with a hot glue gun. You know, because what it needs is something that is hidden, sorry. Yeah, I'm a little fuzzy. So that it melts the pumpkin and you can form the face that you want. And since I promised you guys carving, there you go, guys. To add more effect, you can also paint the holes on the carved pumpkin. We did that afterwards, so it's not recorded, so check my Instagram for a photo. Well, guys, why leave it to the imagination? I bought this little pumpkin that it's made of the same material, so I thought, let's give it a try. We're making the face with a Sharpie and trying the hot glue gun to make the details, and it actually works out really good. Like with the other one, like the tool is more professional, so you can give the pumpkin more depth. So if you want to add a light, it would work. But on this one, it works really cute just for a simple decor. And though the hot glue gun part is not child friendly, you could have a kid draw a face and you just do the details and they paint it. I think that would be really cool as well. Happy carving, you lucky ones that do get a pumpkin. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe so you can stick around for more Halloween content. Bye, guys.